Hello, friends. Today's story is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Achoo! And this is an Elephant and Piggie book. And the author is Mo Willems. Let's get started, friends. Oh, is that elephant sneezing? Achoo! Bless you, elephant. Pigs Make Me Sneeze, an Elephant and Piggie book by Mo Willems. Hi, Piggie. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! Uh-oh. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh, no. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Achoo! Goodbye. Gerald? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggie is a pig. Uh-oh. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. What an awesome story. Hey guys, if you like that story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy reading, friends.